How to install PEX pipe and fittings and connect coupler fittings plastic pipe. Wrenches to tighten them. Coupler fittings plastic pipes compression fittings installation.
So this brings us to the end of our video. For more details, check the links below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews, tips and tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, this is Ezzadine. Stay curious and stay techie. Peace.